Well, hey everyone, welcome back to Haggett Hill. Got a quick little project this afternoon. It's fixing to come a toad strangler, so I don't want to get involved in any projects outside. This is my LS XJ2025H tractor, and need to do a little pre-mowing season maintenance on it. It doesn't have much brakes anymore. It's about, let's see, it's a 2020, so this tractor's 5 years old. The brakes have never been adjusted on it. So I'm going to show you how to adjust the brakes on it. It's got one single brake pedal, and then it's got two adjustment rods for the right and left brake. So watch along. If you have a tractor like this, I'm sure there's many tractors that are very similar. My old John Deere that I had, the brake adjustment was almost identical, except you had a separate pedal for each brake. I'll try my best to show you what I'm doing. Right here is the brake adjustment. It's got a jam nut on each end and the turnbuckle in the middle. You can see it goes down here. It's also, there's a crossover piece to go to the other brake, and then there's the adjustment on the other side. So let's see if we can get you put someplace where you can watch. Maybe you can help me out and tell me if I'm doing it wrong. Alright, maybe you can see alright. This little turnbuckle here is a 14 millimeter. Might be the same, might be different on your tractor, who knows. Pretty simple. Loosen the jam nut a ways. We'll loosen the back one. Not sure how much to adjust. We'll just kind of have to do it by feel. We'll get this side done, then we'll match the other side. Let me go get a little silicone spray to put on that. Look out, don't let me get this in your eyes. Might burn. I'll activate the brake pedal. You can see how that mechanism works. We'll tighten it up a little and see what it does. We'll back it up just a little bit. We'll give that a whirl. Then we'll adjust the other side a little bit. I don't like it when the tractor doesn't have any brakes. If I got my bucket on or my forks, it's real easy. Or some implement on the back that don't have wheels on it. If you want to stop, you just put that down. But it was getting so loose that the parking brake didn't even hardly work. Alright, that feels pretty good. Let's move over to the other side. Alright, move to the other side of the tractor. Got that one loose. Loosen this one. Need to get out here in the next couple of days and check all my loader bolts. All my bolts, motor mounts, all that stuff. Make sure they're all tight on the tractor. We're going the wrong way. Let's go the other way. That might make it better. Let's see how she looks compared to the other side. That looks about even. Relatively simple process. It's not rocket science. Okay, let's take it for a spin and see what she does. Well, I'd call it a success. She stops, the parking brake works. Now I won't have to worry about running over any of the Mrs. Flowers whenever I'm mowing this year.